Welcome everyone to the first sewing video on this channel. Today we'll start with something very easy. We'll talk about pocket squares. And I will show you how to make a hand-rolled hem. Pocket squares are great to improve basically every outfit that includes a suit jacket. Those simple pieces of cloth add a certain something to your look. They're usually made of thin cotton, linen, or like this one, silk. Okay, so high quality pocket squares have a hand-rolled hem because you can only do this by hand. The hem is round, as you can see here, and you also see those little stitches. Cheaper pocket squares have a hem that is stitched flat, as you can see here, by a machine, which is a lot faster and therefore cheaper to produce. What we will do today is basically producing our own high quality pocket square by using a piece of fabric, like here, silk. You can also use thin linen or cotton. We will need at least a 30 by 30 centimeter piece. 40 by 40 is better. When you cut the fabric, you need to leave a gap of exactly 1 centimeter all around, which we will see later. Put your markings on the left side of the fabric, not the right side. The right side is basically the pretty side. This one is printed silk, so the right side is where the print is. So, not on the right side, put your markings on the left side, which is this one. Next, you want to turn down the 4 corners of the pocket square, so just so they stay in with like 3 stitches, as you can see here. When you have turned down all 4 corners, you start at 1, secure your thread, then you fold down the edge right to the line you marked before. You make a little stitch into the marking line, and the next stitch goes half a centimeter further down the edge right into the folding, like this. Pull on your thread, but only very gently, so it lies on the folding, and repeat. A little stitch on the marking, a little stitch in the fold, and so on. And in case you're wondering where to get fabric to make a pocket square, you can of course go to a fabric store and buy some, but you can also buy a cheap one, remove the thread and hand roll it yourself like I did here. After a few repetitions, your thread lies in a zigzag line. Then you hold down the thread where you started and the ending of the thread and gently pull. There you have your roll. Repeat this until the 4 edges are hemmed completely. And in the end, you just need to remove the short pieces of thread you used for securing the edges. Et voila, your self-made pocket square. A little imperfect, but that's intended. Thanks for watching. Please support my channel, subscribe, comment, leave me a thumbs up, and see you soon.